Good morning, everyone. MinerBiker here. We are off on day 2, ride 2, up here on Little Creek Mountain. We're heading up to the North Point today. This is part 2 of a little mini series from out here. Part 1 was riding yesterday afternoon, evening on the West Loop. Yep, we're heading out to the North Point today. A little alternate route through that drainage. Not the trail. We're just exploring here on the rock. It's a trail intersection here on the left, the West Loop that we came around last night. Now we're heading out on the North Loops. So if you want to do the north loop clockwise, you head to the left right there. We're going to cut across and do it counterclockwise from here. So we're going to cut over this way to the other side. Then when we get back to this point, after coming around the loop, we'll cut back across again. My personal favorite way to ride this north loop. Wet. Oh, it's a hit. Oh, it's a hit. It's a little tricky to navigate out here in places. Even when you've been here many times, it can still be tricky. Let's get you up. That stinks. So much nice dog water out here. Straight over at Zion, Gooseberry Mesa. We're coming out here along the edge of the north point. Coming up right here, there's a little mini version of the old Bull Valley Gorge Bridge. There's rocks pushed across this crevice. Alright, here we are at the North Point. Oh, what a view, what landscape. Okay, stay over here. And looking up all at Zion National Park over there, and then this is all Gooseberry Mesa across from us, and then down towards Hurricane and the Pine Valley Mountains and over towards St. George. And this is a small dog. A very tough small dog. And that's a weird dog over there. Definitely have to say that a 170 mil travel enduro bike is major overkill out here, but it's doing very well. This thing pedals so good for what it is. And then the long travel is kind of fun when you want to screw around. All right, heading back south on the other side of the North Point. Go, go, go! Alright, here we are back where we crossed over to the other side of the loop. We're going to cross back to the other side of the loop again on a little bit different route this time. Basically, we're figure eighting the North Point here. Watch out, man. Let me go first, okay? And you move. One of the funnest things about riding out here is poking around, finding lines on the open slick rock. Stay on the trail when you're on the dirt, but when you're out here on the rock, as long as you stay on just bare rock, you can wander around. Cool stuff to be found. Up, up. We're coming into the most well-known feature out here on Little Creek. It's called the waterfall. Not the cleanest, but we got it. Ice. Ice. Oh,
Good job, mate.
Oh yeah, this little spot. Gotta thread the needle and carry momentum. Oh, there's a line over here. Didn't even hear a pedal scrape up that one. We completed our loop again here. Off there to the right, it's the way we went this morning, and the way to the west loop. And just got the little leg back to the trailhead here. About bottoms the fork out. Hitting that thing, it's a harsh transition up onto that slope. Hello everyone, here we are back at the truck again after riding the north point of Little Creek Mesa. So fun, absolutely love riding out here. We first rode out here I think in 2016, I think was our first time out here on Little Creek. So 6 years ago. Been here many times since. Rode the loops in all sorts of configurations, and our favorite way is going clockwise on the west loop and then figure eighting the north point. So much fun. Love being able to play around out there on the slick rock, find alternate lines and everything. Big shout out to the doggies. All that nice running on that slick rock. Good for their pads. Files down their nails so they're not too sharp. And always lots of good potholes of water out there for dogs, which is always fun. Makes this a nice place to bring them. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Make sure to check out the video we filmed yesterday on the west loop. Check out the other videos that will be linked, like Guacamole Mesa, Gooseberry Mesa, so on and so forth. Anything else that's in the cards or in the description down below, or elsewhere on the channel. Leave us a comment down below. Smash that like button for the trail dogs. Ready for a nap. And if you subscribe, thank you. If you haven't, I invite you to do so. It really helps out. It means a lot. Keep digging up new places to ride.